Tronsmart, a company that I have reviewed almost all of their speakers that they have, or at least most of them, since what they have sent me is really very good, and I have top in my list for their products. Only the wireless earphones that I'm using the last year or more are from their company. I have reviewed really many speakers from them, all very good, so I don't expect anything less. And for this one, that it was sent to me from Geekbuying and Tronsmart for igeekphone.com in order to review it. So let's open up the box. The speaker that came to me, as you saw, is the T6 Pro. Is a portable wireless speaker from Tronsmart. Here it is. Enjoy powerful sound anywhere. It has 3 equalizer effects switching, customized 57mm larger driver, smooth Bluetooth 5 connectivity, upgrade cylindrical design. It has built-in Powerbank. It says it here, if you can see. Up to 24 hours of playtime. Diverse RGB lighting effects. It has a blue light here, from what I have seen. Sound pulse technology. 3 EQ effect switching, as I told you, and it's IPX waterproof. The built-in battery is of 10,400 milliampere. The charging time, in order to be fully charged, it's about 3 to 4 hours. It has a standby time of 24 months, 2 years. It's made out of ABS aluminum. The dimensions is 83 to 230 millimeters, and weighs a little bit less than a kilogram, about 870 grams. So what else here? See, here it shows how it is inside. Here also some info. And here how it is. This is for the power of the sound, plus, minus, play, power. So let's open up. Heavy, 870 grams, it's not light. So this, and it is with a cord to hold it. Now let's see what other things I can find inside. I do hear something else. No, nothing. So let's see what's in here. Must be some kind of manual normally. Tronsmart warranty card. Register at their site. Sound Pulse, Tronsmart Sounds Pulse technology. User manual. And here must be the charging cable. Yes, charging cable. And a 3.5 millimeters audio jack cable. The charging cable, from what I see here, is type C. All right. So you see here it's elastic. So Tronsmart. Here it's the connectivity N for charging. It has a USB port, the audio jack, TFT card reader, and for the type C in order to charge it or connect it. Here it says some things. Input, model T6 Pro. Let's close it up and power it up. You see blue light here. Blue, blue. Let's connect it to my mobile. So, Tronsmart T6 Pro. Connected. You hear the sound. So it's for the mobile, multimedia, and for the contacts, it says here. Let's play something. So I have connected with my personal YouTube channel, because I'm going to have problems with YouTube and copyrights of the music. As you can hear, it's really very strong. You'll hear C. You control the sound from here. Really strong sound. Now let's see, and for charging, how it's going to go. Let's connect it as a power bank to charge my mobile. To see if it supports quick charging or not. So it says for transferring data. Charging. Charging, but not quick charging. At least it's charging. If you have any problem with your mobile, you can charge it using the speaker as a power bank. Good. Well, very good. The price of it's about $59.99, and it's come from Czech, so you won't have any problems with customs. I'm going to have a link for you in order to buy it and get it. I'll try to get a coupon in order to get it at a cheaper price. Very good. I don't, as I told you, didn't expect anything less. Let's turn it off. Goodbye. So, Tronsmart T6 Pro for igeekphone.com. Bye.